Fire ants, particularly the notorious red imported fire ant, Solenopsis invicta, are known for their aggressive behavior and their tendency to sting en masse. This phenomenon can be understood by delving into the intricacies of their biology, communication methods, and social structure. Fire ants are eusocial insects, living in colonies with a highly organized social hierarchy. Each colony consists of a queen, workers, and, during certain seasons, reproductive males and females. The queen's primary role is reproduction, while the worker ants, which are sterile females, are responsible for foraging, nursing the brood, and defending the colony. The workers are further divided into minor and major workers, with the latter, also known as soldiers, playing a critical role in defense. When a fire ant colony perceives a threat, such as a disturbance to their mound, they respond with remarkable speed and coordination. This coordinated response is primarily driven by chemical communication, specifically through the use of pheromones. Pheromones are chemical signals that trigger specific behaviors in other members of the same species. In the case of fire ants, alarm pheromones are released when a threat is detected. These pheromones are produced in glands located in different parts of the ant's bodies, and when an ant is agitated or crushed, the pheromones are released into the air. Once the alarm pheromones are detected, they spread rapidly through the colony, triggering a defensive response. Worker ants, sensing the pheromone, quickly become agitated and rush to the source of the disturbance. This immediate and collective action is crucial for the survival of the colony, as it allows them to effectively repel intruders, which could range from large vertebrates to other ant species. The stinging behavior of fire ants is also an important aspect of the defensive strategy. This venom contains a mixture of toxic compounds, including piperidine alkaloids, which cause intense pain, burning sensations, and, in some cases, severe allergic reactions. The sting is not merely a deterrent but can also incapacitate or kill small animals, which may pose a threat to the colony. The synchronized stinging action of fire ants can be attributed to several factors. Firstly, the release of alarm pheromones creates a state of heightened alertness among the worker ants. This heightened state leads to increased aggression and a lower threshold for stinging. Secondly, fire ants exhibit a behavior known as group foraging, or group attack, where multiple ants work together to subdue prey or defend against threats. This collective behavior is highly efficient and increases the chances of successfully neutralizing the threat. When an intruder disturbs the mound, the vibrations and movements are detected by the ant's sensory organs. These mechanical cues, in conjunction with chemical signals, amplify the urgency of the response. The ants then swarm the target, climbing onto the intruder and stinging almost simultaneously. This rapid, collective action is facilitated by the ant's ability to communicate and respond to both chemical and tactile stimuli in a highly integrated manner. The venom itself is a critical component of the fire ant's defense. Fire ant venom has been extensively studied for its biochemical properties and effects on different organisms. The venom contains a complex mixture of alkaloids, proteins, and enzymes that contribute to its potency. Piperidine alkaloids, the primary toxic components, are responsible for the pain and inflammatory response associated with fire ant stings. These alkaloids disrupt cellular function, leading to cell damage and an intense burning sensation. The venom also contains allergenic proteins that can trigger severe allergic reactions in susceptible individuals, including anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. From an ecological perspective, the aggressive stinging behavior of fire ants allows them to dominate their environment. By effectively repelling predators and competing ant species, fire ants can secure resources and territory. This competitive edge has enabled them to become one of the most successful invasive species, particularly in regions outside the native range, such as the southern United States. The phenomenon of fire ants stinging all at once is a result of their sophisticated social organization, effective communication systems, and evolutionary adaptations. The release of alarm pheromones, the ants' ability to respond to mechanical stimuli, and the structural design of their colonies all contribute to their coordinated defensive behavior. Additionally, their potent venom and aggressive nature have been honed by evolutionary pressures, allowing them to thrive in various environments. Understanding these factors provides insight into the complex and highly effective defensive strategies of fire ants, highlighting their remarkable adaptation to both ecological challenges and survival threats. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.